5 reasons why DryerFlex is the best dryer vent you can get. Number 1 is it compacts this small, so it compacts all the way down to about 5 inches, so it could fit behind a tight dryer space. But what's really cool about this is it compacts but then expands all the way up to 4 feet, and then they also have an 8-foot one. Another thing is it won't get crushed. So if you look at it, it looks like it's getting smushed a little bit, but it will still keep the shape inside the vent so that your airflow will be good. Next one, number 3, is it is actually flame resistant. So if you're used to the plastic foil vents that most dryers come with, those can actually go on fire. These ones are flame resistant. Next is the way they're attached. These ones, the way you attach it is you're going to unravel it, flatten it out with your fingers, and then you use these clamps so they get clamped on nicely. The other ones use the tension clamps, which are not as good. Next is that they're extremely flexible. So even though they're strong, they are also very flexible. You could manipulate them into whatever curve you want. And with the 8-foot, you could get even longer of a reach. And no matter what you do, however much you bend it, it still keeps the 4-inch diameter. And then it will not impede the airflow and get smushed like the other ones. So if you want to keep your house safe from fires and keep your dryer running smoothly, get DryerFlex. It is the best dryer that you could get. And there's a link down below so you get it at the most affordable price.